Greetings and welcome. I'm your host, Dr. Samuel Adebayo. A seasoned entrepreneur and business consultant, I've dedicated my career to helping people like you discover profitable side hustles. With a wealth of experience under my belt, I'm here to share insights, tips, and strategies designed to transform your financial landscape. You see, finding the right side hustle isn't just about earning extra cash. It's about unlocking your potential and creating avenues for growth. So, join me as we explore 10 ways you can earn from the comfort of your home. In this fast-paced world, having a side hustle isn't just beneficial, it's necessary. As we delve into the importance of side hustles, it's crucial to understand that it's more than just an extra income stream. It's about financial independence, skill building, and entrepreneurship. Financial independence is not just about making ends meet. It's about empowering yourself to make choices that aren't solely based on your paycheck. A side hustle can provide that extra cushion, enabling you to take risks, pursue passions, or save for the future. Is that buffer between you and financial constraints, that extra stride towards financial freedom. And then there's skill building. A side hustle can be a fantastic avenue to explore new skills or refine existing ones. You might discover talents you never knew you had, or develop expertise that could open up new career paths. It's a platform for growth, a chance to expand your horizons. Lastly, let's talk about entrepreneurship. A side hustle can be your stepping stone into the exciting world of business ownership. It allows you to test the waters, learn the ropes, and potentially build something that could become your main hustle. It's about taking control of your destiny, steering your ship where you want it to go. So, as you can see, a side hustle is more than just a job. It's a journey towards financial independence, a platform for skill building, and a launch pad for entrepreneurship. Now, let's plunge into the top 10 profitable side hustles. You can start today. Our first side hustle on the list is freelance writing. Now, when we say freelance writing, we're talking about a wide spectrum of opportunities that span from content creation for websites to writing articles, blog posts, and even digital marketing materials. Freelance writing is a skill that's in high demand. With the digital age upon us, businesses and individuals alike are constantly on the lookout for talented wordsmiths who can help them craft their messages and reach their target audiences effectively. This is where you come in. As a freelance writer, you have the chance to work on a variety of projects, from writing website content to crafting engaging blog posts and creating compelling marketing materials. But what does it take to be a successful freelance writer? Well, first and foremost, you need a knack for writing. You need to be able to communicate effectively and persuasively through the written word. But that's not all. You also need to be good at research, as you'll often need to delve into topics you're not familiar with. And of course, you need to be reliable, able to meet deadlines, and willing to go the extra mile to ensure your clients are satisfied. Now, let's talk earnings. The potential income from freelance writing can vary widely based on your skills, experience, and the type of writing you do. Some freelance writers earn a few $100s per project, while others make several thousands. The key is to find a niche you're passionate about and excel in, and then market your services effectively. And the best part, you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home or any location of your choice. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a computer. No need to commute, no need to dress up for an office, just pure, flexible, profitable work. With determination and the right skills, freelance writing can be a goldmine. So, if you love writing and are looking for a side hustle that offers flexibility, creativity, and good earning potential, freelance writing could be just the ticket. Next on our list is online tutoring. In the digital age, the world has become a global classroom, and we're not just talking about traditional brick and mortar institutions. The rise of the internet has paved the way for a booming industry known as online tutoring. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this lucrative side hustle. Online tutoring, part of the broader e-learning industry, is an avenue where you can share your knowledge and skills with students from all over the world. It's all about imparting wisdom from the comfort of your own home. Imagine being able to teach English to a student in Japan or helping someone in Brazil ace their calculus exam. It's a global interaction that breaks down geographical boundaries, creating a diverse and dynamic learning environment. But what does it take to be an online tutor? Well, first and foremost, you need to have a firm grasp of the subject you intend to teach. This could be anything from a language to a specific academic subject or even a musical instrument. Patience, communication skills, and a knack for making complex concepts easy to understand are also key attributes of a successful online tutor. Another crucial aspect is the technology. A reliable internet connection, a good quality webcam and microphone, and familiarity with online teaching platforms are the basic requirements. Education technology has made it possible to have interactive and engaging lessons with students thousands of miles away. Now, let's talk about potential earnings. Your income as an online tutor can vary greatly depending on your area of expertise, the platform you use, and the amount of time you can dedicate to tutoring. However, it's not uncommon for online tutors to earn a substantial income, making it a viable side hustle for those looking to supplement their earnings. So, if you have a passion for teaching and a subject you're well versed in, online tutoring could be a profitable venture for you. It's a chance to earn money while making a difference in someone's learning journey. With a passion for teaching, online tutoring can be your ticket to financial freedom. We've journeyed through 10 profitable side hustles, each with its unique benefits. We've explored the world of freelance writing, where your words can become your wealth. We've delved into online tutoring, turning your knowledge into a valuable asset. We've also touched on other incredible opportunities like virtual assistants, graphic designing, and blogging. Each of these hustles offers a unique avenue to generate income from the comfort of your home. But remember, the essence of a side hustle isn't just about making extra cash. It's about channeling your skills, passion, and time into something productive and fulfilling. It's about creating multiple streams of income and securing your financial future. So, take a moment, think about your skills, your passions. What can you do that others might find valuable? Once you've identified it, don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no better time to start than now. You don't need to quit your day job. Start small, grow gradually, and as you embark on this journey, we're here to guide you along the way. We'll continue to provide valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you succeed. So don't miss out on any of our future content. Subscribe, like, share, and turn on notifications. This way, you'll be alerted anytime we drop a new video packed with valuable insights. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your side hustle today. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey. Your time and interest are much appreciated. If this video resonated with you, show your support by hitting that like button, sharing it with your network, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications. so you'll be the first to know when the next insightful video drops. I am Dr. Samuel Adebayo, signing off. Remember, the world is your oyster. Go out there and make it happen.